Press anywhere on the work screen to access the toolbar. Select the layer icon. Choose the menu button next to the layer with the surface you want to use for guidance. Choose Select for guiding. We now have the garage excavation surface for guidance and using the map view. Note the cut value here, we will get a cut or fill anytime the bucket is on the surface. Next, let's enable the 3D view. Press this icon. Select 3D and hit Apply. And that's it. We now have selected a surface for guidance and enabled the 3D view.